Well, hello there. This is my review on the upgrade of the 223cc from the 190cc on the Toro Timemaster, and it's been great. Best decision I made. I wore that other engine out, and this has been awesome. Doesn't bog down, mows great. Actually, I think it's a cleaner, crisper cut now. Of course, I have really good blades. I keep sharp and everything, but it just seems to be so much better. And for a Briggs engine, works great. No complaints, no leaks, no nothing. Don't have a time meter on it yet, but I've got a good amount of hours already on it because this is my major mower I use. I don't have big commercial stuff. Anyway, someone asked me about switching these engines out and what was required. Basically, all you're doing is you're taking the wires off that go to the cymbal. They just mount. There's two little clips and pull them off. And then you've got 3 engine bolts that bolt from underneath. One here, a couple over here, one up front. And basically what you're doing is you get up under here and you can see you unhook the springs and your belts. That's not a big deal. And then there's portholes in here and you just unbolt it. That's all there is to it. You need to take the cover off, of course, the 4 bolts out of the cover. And you swap it out. Make sure you thread your bolts in ahead of time to the new engine. And then back and back out. Don't go all the way in because there's set caps for them. You just want to get them started. So when you go to put them in, they go in easy. And just use a 1/4-inch drive, long drive, through those holes and get them started. And that's all there is to it, guys. And, oh, I forgot. You do have to, preferably an impact wrench to get off the pulley. And once you do that, mine came right off. Some people said they get a little problem, but you just tap it lightly with a hammer, it'll come off. And just slide it right back onto the new engine. It all fits. Kohler and all of them, they have a bunch of them that match up to this. Anyway, good quality upgrade though. Easy, anybody can do it. It's been great so far. Until next time, have a good one.